Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sachin Mishra. Registration number 118000713. Roll number 33. Today I am going to perform 4 general warm-up, 4 specific warm-up exercises and 4 limbering down exercises which are used in football. So what is general warm-up exercises? तो जनरल वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस वो एक्सरसाइजेस होती हैं जो कि एक फुटबॉल प्लेयर या कोई भी एक प्लेयर यूज़ करता है, उनको परफॉर्म करता है और अपनी बॉडी का हीट जो रहता है वो बढ़ाता है, जिससे उसको क्या होता है कि उसकी मसल में जो कुछ भी स्ट्रेन आने के जो चांसेस रहते हैं वो डिक्रीज होते हैं, उसकी इंजरी डिक्रीज होती है और उसकी बॉडी वार्म अप होती है. सो द 4 वार्म अप जनरल वार्म अप एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर football are our 4 general warming up exercises are: first one, slightly jump; second one, jumping jacks; third one, hip rotation; and fourth one, the ankle rotation. So I am going to show you how to perform each and every exercises with little of demonstration. So let's get started. So first exercise is jumping on low base like this. So you have to perform jumping for at least 2 to 3 minutes on this low pace, and if you want you can increase the pace by like this. You can also find an alternative for this exercise, if you want to add, you can use skipping rope also, which will give more benefit to you, as your arms will also be included in that moment like this. Just keep in mind that you have to perform this particular exercise for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now the next exercise is jumping jacks. So how to perform jumping jacks is like that. You have to broaden your legs as compared to your shoulder, and you have to do like this. Same, you have to perform this exercise also for 2 to 3 minutes, and if you want to improvise or go to next level, you can just add a variation to this exercise as follows. So all these 2 exercises are gonna heat up your body little up. So our third exercise for general warm up is of hip rotation. You all have done this exercise in your childhood, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just broaden your leg as compared to your shoulder, and you have to just rotate your hip in anti-clockwise and in clockwise direction. Make sure that you do this exercise for at least 1.5 to 2 minutes. So let's get started. Make sure that you do both anti-clockwise and clockwise direction of this exercise. Now our fourth and the last exercise for general warm-up in football is ankle rotation or ankle twist. So what you have to do is you have to just raise your leg, and you have to rotate or move your ankle in up and down direction, and somewhat in your rotational movement. Now anti-clockwise. Okay, same you have to perform with your the next leg also. First, raise your leg. Do ankle in up and down direction. Now in clockwise direction, and now in anti-clockwise direction. So here all the 4 general warming up exercises are come to an end. So now I am going to show you the 4 specific warm-up exercises which are used in football. So specific warming up exercises are those exercises which helps you to enhance your strength, muscular strength, your conditioning power, and which are gonna surely help you whenever you are going to play your game or whenever you are going to practice your game. So our four exercises will be squat jump, the high knees or butt kick, and the in and out kick and the leg kick. Okay. So our first exercise is of squat jump. So in squat jump, what you have to do, you have to broaden your leg as same or as your shoulder. You have to be in your squat position like this. You have to jump, then again come to squat position. Okay. So I am going to show you how to do it multiple times, and you have to perform it after seeing it. So if you are beginner and you are getting some trouble in performing this squat jump, you can also simply do squat or wall sit rest just like this. But I prefer to this when you are beginner. If you are an intermediate or a pro, you can go with squat jump. Now our second exercise is of high knees. What you have to do is you have to raise your knee as much high as you can, or you can say that you have to raise your knee to your waist level, and you have to increase your speed gratitudely. Okay, and you have to perform a squat jump by you can do it like 10 to 15 times, and high knees you can do for 30 seconds or 1 minute, as much as your capacity. So I am going to show you how to do high knees. Okay. So our third exercise for specific warm-up is in and out kick in football. So again, make sure that you are doing these exercises for at least 1 to 2 minutes. And how you are going to do in and out kick, I am going to show you. Make sure. So this was out kick. Now in kick like this. So these were in and out kick, which was our third exercises for specific warm-up. Now our last exercise for specific warm-up. Now the last specific warm-up exercise is of leg kick or leg raise. The same you have to perform this exercise for at least 1 to 2 minutes, as much as you can do. It's basically totally depend on your capacity. So these all four were our exercises for specific warm-up in football. Make sure that you do all these exercises for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, now I am going to show you some cooling down exercises, or we can say limbering down exercises. As we know that we have performed specific warm-up, general warm-up, and the cooling exercises and limbering down exercises are very much important for a sports person, because when you are performing some or playing some game, your muscles are toned up, your muscles are heated up, so you have to relax your muscles so that they should come at their initial position, and they should not give you soreness while you are taking the rest. So I am going to show you some of the exercises which you can include in your limbering down or cooling down exercises of set, and make sure that you should do these exercises for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and multiple times, and your cooling down or limbering down exercises period should be of 10 to 15 minutes minimum. you can go as much high as you can. So starting with first exercise, first exercise, my first exercise is in which you have to stretch your hamstring. So how you are gonna stretch your hamstring is, first of all, you will stand like this straight. Now keep one leg ahead, slightly bend forward, bend your the next leg, the next leg knee which is behind your this knee, and like you have to you have to bend until and unless you feel a stretch in your hamstring. Okay, like you will feel more and more stretch as you go, as your upper body goes down. So try to go as much low as you can. Hold for at least 10 to 15 seconds if you are beginner, and if you are pro or intermediate, you can hold it for 30 or 30 seconds to 1 minute. Repeat that exercise with the same next leg. Now my next exercise is for relaxing your quadriceps. What you have to do is, you have to stand on one leg, balancing your whole body, and you have to just do like this. The procedure will be same for each and every exercises. You have to make sure that you hold in that particular position for at least 10 to 15 seconds if you are beginner, and if you are intermediate or pro, you can just increase that time to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Now repeat that same with the other leg also. Balance on the other leg and position like this, and make sure you do this exercise in the correct position so that you avoid any injury. Exercise is, you have to just place your one leg here, and you have to hold your toe and stretch it toward your body, and hold in the last position as you can. Okay, so I am going to show you how you have to do. You have to perform just like this, and try to touch the knee with your this forehead so that you can give the maximum stretch to your body. Make sure that you touch your forehead to your knee in this way. Again, you have to hold in that position for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now do the same with your other leg also. Now my next exercise is for your calf, which will help to relax your calf, as the football is a game in which your quadriceps, your hamstring, your calf are very much included. So it's necessary to relax all these bigger and smaller muscles. So what you have to do, you have to just lie down, hold in this position, and place your leg on your toe and just put it toward your body, which will create a stretch over your calf, and your calf will feel some type of relief in your soreness. Or now again perform this with the same other leg. Make sure that you hold in that position for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Now, for just giving a relax to whole your lower body, you can do vibration exercises which like. So these were our the four exercises which you can include in your cooling down or limbering down program or set, which surely gonna help you in relieving your quadricep, hamstring, and calf muscles. Thank you.